Hey, what's up? This is Sean with SBS Designs. Sorry I haven't done a video in the last couple days. Got busy. Anyway, I wanted to give you guys an update of where we're at. This is day 5, video 6 of the builds. I'm going to be doing a SBS Widow 6 string. I'm working on a 5 string neck and a 9 string fan fret. So just wanted to give you guys an update of what they look like at this point and show you what's going on and what's going to happen next. So here we go. We got the 5 string. Got it all fretted so far. How I did this was with my trusty fretting hammer. I don't do presses, I don't do machines. I think all that is complete bullshit. If you know what you're doing, nothing beats a fret hammer, leveling, and files. So what I do is I'll take my fret hammer, bang my frets in. After that, I will level them, and then I'll take my crowning file, and once they're level, redo them because you actually flatten them out when you level your frets. You take a straight edge, and you make sure everything's dead even across the entire deal. You take your crowning file and re-round them, and then you're gonna from there have to polish them, that sort of thing. Before that though, I will actually go into these slots and fill them in with water glue so there's no fret creep, and then eventually epoxy over the slots so they're not open anymore. This one I came out pretty rad. I did a curly maple fingerboard. I did high frets, I did mother of pearl inlays, and then actually I did bison, water buffalo, whatever you want to call it. I think it'd be bison. Bison horn inlays for the side dots. I got them from a friend years ago and finally used them because this is a lighter fingerboard. So once I oil it, that would really show up along with all the figuring. So we're good on the 5 string. I've already shaped it. That's one thing. I do not use any sort of belt sander, round off, pin router bullshit because there's no, the difference between a handmade and a production is there's no better way to make a neck than by hand with a spoke shaper. The reason is because I'm not just trying to round it. I can do this by hand and then by feel. So we're round here where the first 5 frets, where a lot of bass is being played in your first 5 frets. I flatten out in the middle and then flatten out towards the end to your higher frets to ease fatigue on your hands. So in my book, there's no better way of building a neck than by hand. I think that machines are bullshit. I think too many people have bought into that whole thing. And really in the end, known guitar companies have had, 60 years to trick you into thinking that's the way it's done. This is dead on, man. You're not going to have any fatigue or that sort of thing with it. So, pretty happy with this neck. As I showed before, I did curly maple, walnut, and hard rock maple. I did a dual direction truss rod in it, curly maple fingerboard, jumbo frets, pearl inlays, and bison horn side dots. So moving on, we have our Widow bass that we're going to be building. This is a 6 string. Headstock came out pretty cool. Did a multi-laminate headstock. I went ahead on this curly maple. I did black lines with a flumed eucalyptus veneer and put it into my fret lines. I also did black pearl inlays on it. I'm actually going to spray this trans green, which is just going to look insane with this curly maple. Again, the construction of it, I haven't shaved it yet. I have it ready to shave. Everything's clean, everything's straight, everything's sanded down. So again, this is with maple, curly maple, and walnut. Moving on to the 9 string I got. I have it all inlaid for LED side dots. They're in there, even though you can't really see them yet until they're lit up. I have this entire neck cleaned up, ready to go, so I can start shaping it. Same construction, rock maple, curly maple, and walnut. On a maple headstock, and I did, with this and the 5 string, I did a nice satin wood veneer on the top of it, so that's going to look just crushing once I spray these things trans green. So again, let's see, we got to shave this guy, Both these guys got to get shaved in the next day or so I can start working on the body. Yeah, so that's where we're at. So the next videos will be, get a good wide shot of these. Next videos coming at you will be the glue up of the body, and we're gonna go pretty quick from there. Once the body's shaped, it's gonna get into spraying, and spraying's an adventure all in itself. So until next time, take care.